First, you need to create a reusable element. Choose the type of content as yes, no, and add a new property of text type. Note that for this toggle we're only using native components with a little of code in a HTML element. For the property, it's important that you create it as text so you can identify each toggle element when you add more than one inside a page. If you don't do that, the code you conflict and toggles won't work. Now each toggle has a unique id, they'll work properly. For the workflows, you only need to set up one event which is element is clicked. In this event, you need to set up one action which is display data in a group. Choose the reusable element and write this condition. This condition will change to yes every time as no and to no every time as yes. Here, I also created a custom state called updated value in order to trigger events in the page level when the value is updated. Now let's see the CSS code we are using here. You need to insert a HTML element and paste this code in order to make the circle inside the toggle changes sides. For this you need to change 3 values. The first one is the element ID attribute. In your circle element, remember to choose a name and insert the ID attribute you created as unique identifier for your toggle. For the margin left, you want the value that will make the circle goes to the right or back to left. Here you may need a conditional like I did. When the toggle is yes, the left margin should be 50% of the total width, or almost 50% because you want a space between the circle and the border. And for the toggle circle to be the same width as the hey, you divide the toggle width by 2 minus 8. Or just choose the circle's height as width. In this way, no matter the size of the toggle, it will have a responsive size. It's also important to set up transitions to your element for the animations to happen and give your toggle a professional look. Remember to choose a duration for the left margin and background transitions. For the colors, also create a conditional for how the element should look when the condition is yes or no. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, let me know. If you need any assistance, I'm available for a quick free call. Check out the links in this video.